Do you want to work in Hungary but feel confused, unsure, or don't know where to start? Let's guide you in today's episode of Ask Abba. Welcome to Ask Abba, a segment where we break down the ins and outs of the overseas application process. I'm Paulo Castro, Senior Recruitment Specialist at Abba, and today I'll be answering your top questions about working in Hungary. It's no surprise that Europe is one of the top work destinations for many of our kababayans because of the opportunities and excellent benefits it offers. And one country that's actually getting more attention lately is Hungary, with its steady economic growth, increasing foreign investments, and more job opportunities are opening up for skilled workers across different industries. So, if you're thinking about taking this path, stay with us until the end of this episode as we guide you through what you need to know before applying. So our first question, no? What are the job opportunities? It's a great question, no? So there are actually various job opportunities for Filipinos in Hungary working across different sectors as the country continues to grow in areas like manufacturing, logistics, hospitality, and even service industries. Since many of our kababayans are also considering Hungary as their next work destination, so job openings can be filled very quickly. So be sure to follow our official account and stay updated and apply as soon as we have new opportunities for Jobtain. You can also visit us, applicant.abba.ph, from time to time to keep track of our latest job openings for skilled workers in Hungary. So question number 2, no? What are the requirements? So we actually get this question a lot. When it comes to documents, basically you are required to, of course, to submit your resume, a valid passport, a certificate of employment or COE covering from 2021 to present. You may also need to provide your high school or college diploma, including your training or seminar certificates if you do have, no? But it depends on the position you're applying for. There are some roles that may require a specific height requirement. As for the language exams, skilled worker applicants are generally not required to take any English or Hungarian language tests. Employers like Jobtain usually look for basic English communication skills that will allow you to perform your job effectively, with a stronger focus on your skills and ability to do the work. No? So, to increase your chances, it's best to prepare your documents early. This way, when an opportunity that matches your experience becomes available, you can move faster in your application process. Question number 3. How do I apply and how is the process? All right, so to start your application, all you need to do is send your resume to jobtain@abba.ph to help us easily identify the position you're applying for. Please include it in your subject line of your email. Take this as an example. If you're in or around Mandaluyong City, you're also welcome to visit our main branch and apply in person. If you qualify, the entire process typically takes around 3 to 4 months depending on the position, document processing, and visa approval. No? So throughout your application journey, you'll be assisted by a dedicated ABBA recruiter who will guide you and support you from your initial application all the way to deployment, ensuring you a smooth and seamless process. Okay, so question number 4. What happens after I submit my application? No? So now that's something from a very invested applicant. No? So after we do receive your application, we typically review it to see if you're a good fit for any of our active vacancies. If you qualify, we'll reach out to you for the next steps like employer interviews and other assessments. If you're accepted, you'll be guided by a dedicated recruiter who will support you throughout the next stages, from reviewing your contract to securing your travel documents and even arranging your flight, no? But we do receive a high volume of applications for our Jobtain vacancies, so we really appreciate your patience as we do our best to accommodate everyone. So our last question for today, how can I avoid scams when applying for jobs in Hungary? No, that's actually a good question to conclude this episode. So to avoid scams when applying for jobs in Hungary, please make sure that you only work with trusted and accredited agencies and employers like ABBA and Jobtain. And don't pay any fees directly to any employer or recruiter outside of official channels. And before you accept any offer, always check that your contract and benefits are clearly explained. And you can also visit the DMW's official website to check their list of accredited agencies and job orders to make sure everything is legitimate. Another tip is to check the agency's official website and social media pages. Look for real testimonials from deployed applicants so you can get a better idea of their credibility and actual experiences abroad. So, if possible, you can also visit their office and talk to a recruiter in person to confirm that the agency is legitimate. By following these steps, you can better protect yourself and make sure your application process is safe and secure. With its growing demand for skilled workers, Hungary is becoming a promising option for Filipinos looking to work abroad. What matters most is being prepared and choosing a legitimate path for your application with the right partner. Follow us on our socials to stay updated with our latest vacancies in Hungary. So that's all the questions for today's Ask Aba. Thanks for watching! But if you got more, drop them in the comments or DM us. We might feature them in the next episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Bye-bye!